Welcome to the beautiful Jackson Heights Historic District. We're about to enter the Berkeley, one of the most coveted developments here in Jackson Heights. Here we are on the top floor of the Berkeley in Unit B65. This is one of the largest one-bedroom layouts here at the Berkeley. One of the first things you notice walking in is how much natural light you have here. This apartment is anchored by beautifully refinished original hardwood floors. The kitchen is truly beautiful. It has ample counter space, a lot of storage, and is loaded with modern appliances. The bathroom also maintains its pre-war charm and features. It has a standing shower, deep soaking tub, and it's appointed with subway tile and quality finishes. The master bedroom has an abundance of windows. It's generous in size, and it's connected to the library area, which can double as an office or dressing room. Jackson Heights was developed and conceived by the Queensboro Corporation. It was designed to be a garden community, and you can feel it when you walk the streets. The Berkeley is truly a unique place to live, and it's no wonder so many people call it home.